Time to assemble. Start with the meat filling and place in an oven-safe bowl. Place the mashed potatoes on top and spread evenly. Once you've got the mashed potatoes evenly spread, it's time for the final touch. Add diced butter to the top. Once you've added the butter, it's time to bake our cottage pie to perfection. Put your dish in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are golden brown. Enjoy. We enjoy sharing Disney recipes that can help you create the magic at home for your friends and family.